is called friendship. It's a puppet show. You may enjoy. Sit back and watch. This is called friendship. I'm just telling you the second time so you know. Okay?
Okay.
Hey Mario. I haven't seen you in such a long time. Hey, me neither. Now, what have you been doing what was I gonna say? That's embarrassing. It's kind of funny. Have you made that up? No, it's not. It's not a joke. Oh, well then, let's just but you say Luke. I was gonna walk and you should say Luke too, so I guess we did twins? Well, I guess we are kind of. Let's walk. This is called friendship, right? Yeah. Walking, putting hands is friendship. That's cool, dude. Let's do it. Friendship, friendship, oh, friendship, friendship, friendship. I love friendship, do you love friendship? I love friendship, 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 friendship.
Okay, take a bow. Stand up and take a bow, everybody.